Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can restrict who can add us to a group chat on a Telegram application. Alright guys, first of all, we need to open our Telegram application, and after we have our Telegram application opened, we can go to the Telegram setting. Click on these three lines on the top left, and we have to select the settings option, and in the settings option we need to open the privacy and security. Again, we can scroll down a little bit, then click on groups and channels. And here, as you can see, everybody can add me to group chat. And if we want to restrict who can add us to a group chat on Telegram, we have to select nobody. So nobody can add us to a group chat or a channel on a Telegram. And we need to click on the check mark to save this setting. And or I guess that's how we can restrict who can add us to a group chat or a channel on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.